Each star represents a missing operation. Work out what it is. First, the first one, that is 3 star 7 brackets 0.7 star 1.3 equal to 17. Here they want us to replace these star symbols with an operation such that when we calculate this expression, after replacing these symbols, we should get the result to be 17. To get 17, we should replace this star symbol by plus, and here also we should replace star symbol by plus. Now this will change to 3 plus 7 brackets 0.7 plus 1.3. Now let us calculate this. First we should calculate the brackets, that is 3 plus 7, 0.7 plus 1.3 is 2. Now plus and here multiplication. As per rule we should do multiplication first. So we get 3 plus 7 into 2, 14. 3 plus 14, 17. We should get 17, we got 17. So operations we replaced are correct. So this is our answer. Okay, next. 23 star 11 star 22 star 11 equal to 11. Here they are asking us to replace these symbols in this expression with some operations such that when we calculate this expression, after replacing these symbols, we should get the result to be 11. To get 11, we should replace this star symbol with multiplication symbol, here this by subtraction and this by multiplication. Now this will change to 23 into 11 minus 22 into 11. Let us calculate this. First multiplication we should do. So 23 into 11 is 253. Minus 22 into 11 is 242. Now you subtract, you get 11. We should get 11, we got 11. So the operations we replaced these by are correct. So this is our answer. Am I clear?